Now, when I thought about creating this vlog, I originally had it in mind for covering the coast, but the Copper Coast, it covers a general area, and there are some lovely spots just if you go inland a little bit more. And at the moment, I'm in a village called Fennor, and there's a couple of good spots here to visit. At the moment, I'm at the Hope Tree Sculpture, or Totem Pole. Let you have a look at this here. It's actually in the graveyard of the church in the village, and I'll put some information in the captions. You can see the intricate detail in the work there at the top. And some lovely blue sky too, to complement this magnificent work of art. And right next to the church grounds where the totem pole is, you have Fennor Bog, which is about 32 acres, and it's overlooked by Ballyscanlon Hill, which is about 148 metres in height, which is in front of me. That's it there, Ballyscanlon Hill. And if you have a few spare minutes, it's worth a look. I think it's best early morning because that's when the dragonflies come out. You'll see even lizards as well here, as well as your wild birds and that, and a few other pond life insects. And just under 1.5 miles from Fennor village, just under 2 kilometres, I've logged it. There's a spot called Ballyscanlon Lough, or lake in English. I think it's, well, don't quote me on it, I think it's a local reservoir. There's a couple of them in the area. I'll let you do the research yourself. And the thing about this spot, don't believe what it says on Google Maps, because it will not take you there. What you have to do is, just before you get to it, you just pull over at a little pathway which I'm walking on now. You can, the cars are just behind there, and just walk down the path for maybe a few minutes. I'm just seeing where it goes to, so it's an adventure for me. I mean, I was here maybe 8 years ago, but I can't remember. It was with the camera club in Waterford, which I was a member of at the time. The photo nerds, if any of you are watching this. Looks like there's been a bit of tree surgery in action to the right. I must admit, it is an absolutely glorious, warm spring evening here in County Waterford, just inland along the Copper Coast. Decisions. Feel like Alice in Wonderland. Ooh, I think I'll take the high road, because that's closer to the road which is on the right hand side, which I drove along before getting here. So I think both roads take us to the lake anyway, but this would probably be more of a main viewing point, I hope, of the lake anyway. Is looking back at the gorgeous evening spring light through the woods I've just walked through as we continue our trek to Ballyscanlon Lough. After about 10 to 15 minutes of trekking, we finally reached Ballyscanlon Lough, although it's a different route to the one I went on about 8 years ago. Here it is in all its glory. And it's so blue as well, complementing the sky too. Right, I better get some aerial footage for you. You'll see that in a moment.